about refractive error, hyperopia, and astigmatism. Hyperopia is a common eye disease, especially in children. Hyperopia seriously affects the vision development of children. Key points: definition and classification, etiology, clinical manifestation, diagnosis and hyperopia accommodation, and treatment. First, definition and classification. Hyperopia is the state in which the unaccommodated eye would focus the image behind the retina. Classification of hyperopia by degree divided into mild hyperopia, moderate hyperopia, and high hyperopia. Mild hyperopia is less than 3D. Moderate hyperopia is more than 3.25D and less than 5D. High hyperopia is more than 5D, is less than 3D, and moderate hyperopia is more than 3.25D and less than 5D. High hyperopia is more than 5D. Etiology. The cause of hyperopia are mainly divided into physiological factors and pathological factors. Physiological factors. The anterior-posterior diameter of the eyeball is short at birth and may return to normal with development. Pathological factors. Aphakia, ocular tumor, and retrobulbar protusion, and other diseases. Clinical manifestations. If hyperopia is not too great, a young person may obtain a sharp distant image by accommodating as a normal eye would read. The young hyperopic person may also make sharp near image by accommodating more or much more than one without hyperopia. If the hyperopia is too high, the eye may be unable to correct the image by accommodation. The main complications of hyperopia include strabismus, amblyopia, and pseudopapillitis. Long-term overregulation leads to astropia. At the same time, affect children's visual development, resulting in amblyopia. Diagnosis and hyperopia accommodation. Manifest hyperopia. The hyperopia cannot be corrected by accommodation. This is one of the cases of derivation amblyopia in children. It can be bilateral. This is a correlation between accommodation and convergence of the two eyes. Hyperopia is therefore a frequent cause of astropia and monocular amblyopia. Latent hyperopia. The degree of hyperopia overcome by accommodation is known as latent hyperopia. It is detected by refraction after administration of cyclopic drops, which determines the sum of both manifest and latent hyperopia. Refractive with a cyclopedic is very important in young patients who complain of eye strain when reading and is visual in astropia. The hyperopia has blurred vision for near and far and require glasses for both near and far. Treatment. The treatment of hyperopia adopts the method of convex lens correction. Through the refraction of the convex lens, it can nearly image on the retina and solve the problem of unclear near vision. If the patient's vision does not improve after wearing convex lens, amblyopia training is needed. If the atrophy can't be improved after wearing glasses, and there is a need for improvement, surgery may be needed. Astigmatism. First, definition. Because the eyeballs have different refractive powers on different margins, parallel rays cannot form a focus after passing through the eyeball refractive system. This refractive state is called astigmatism. Second, classification. Astigmatism divided into regular astigmatism and irregular astigmatism. Regular astigmatism. Astigmatism with the rule. The greater refractive power is in the vertical meridian, more commonly found in younger patients. Astigmatic against the rule. The greater refractive power is in the horizontal meridian, more commonly in older people. Oblique astigmatism. Irregular astigmatism. The power or orientation of the principal meridians changes across the papillary aperture. Treatment. Astigmatism errors can be corrected with cylindrical lens, frequently in combination with spherical lens. Okay, that's all for this lesson. See you next time. Thank you.